Hi, this is Carter from the Awkward Styles team. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to create a product and upload it to your store from awkwardstyles.com. Let's get started by going to our profile. In your dashboard, you will have access to all the different sections on our website, such as the product catalog. In the product catalog, you can search for any specific product or find it in the drop-down menus. For this example, let's use a Lane 7 women's crop hoodie. Once you've chosen your product, you'll be taken to the mockup generator, where you can create a design for your listing. Click on Add Image. Here you can find hundreds of designs uploaded by the Awkward Styles community, as well as upload your own. For this example, we'll pick a design from one of the categories in our community and complement it with one of our own designs. This flamingo image will be perfect to start our design. You can easily resize and rotate your image with the tools on our mockup generator. Now let's add our own image. Click on Upload Designs, Upload from Device, and select the image you want. We can align our image by dragging it or by using the arrow tools on the right. Let's place our image to the top right. We can rotate our image using the rotation tool. Let's align it with the arrows. Perfect. Let's finish our design by adding a layer of text. We can change our text to say anything we want. We can also change the color and font of our text. Let's resize our text, place it, and once again we'll use the arrows to align it. Alright, now that our design is finished, we can choose the colors and sizes we want to offer for our product. We can select dark colors, light colors, or all colors. Let's select all sizes and create our template. Here we can preview our design and color choices one more time. Everything looks good, so let's upload our product. You'll be taken to your product templates page, where you'll be able to upload each of your templates. As you can see, I have a WooCommerce, Etsy, and Shopify store connected to my account. Let's upload this product to our Shopify store. In this page, you can select the main image for your design, as well as select additional mockups. You can choose to display your size chart in imperial or in metric units. And you can also download a preview video to upload to your store. Now let's add a custom title to our listing. And now let's add a description. If you want to make any final changes on your product variants, now is a good time to do it. We can also set different retail prices for each of our product variants. Once you're all set, click to upload the product to your store. After your product has been uploaded, you'll be taken to your product page. Here you can search for a specific listing or filter based on your store or status of the listing. Lastly, let's click on the listing we just created to see it uploaded on our Shopify store. That's how easy it is to create a design and upload it to your store on Awkward Styles. Now, it's time to start making money. I hope this guide was useful, and have a great day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.